In these uncertain times, people are more dependent than ever before on information technology and the internet. Whether they're working from home, socializing, watching their favorite show, shopping, or running a business, people rely on computers and the networks that connect them to make it happen. This technology is complex, so even though they use it every day, people don't understand it. They need someone who can install it, configure it, and fix it when things go wrong. They need an IT professional, a computer expert.
And the Network Technology program at Flint Hills Technical College will provide you with the hands-on education you need to become an IT professional, that computer expert. Our class sizes are small, so you'll get the personal attention that you need. And at Flint Hills Technical College, we don't just talk about it, we do it. You'll work with the same equipment and technology that you will in the field.
We'll get you into your new career in as little as 2 years. And working in information technology is exciting and rewarding. Computers are always changing, so there's always something new to learn, which keeps it interesting. When working in the IT field, you'll make a good salary, and you'll make a difference. So remember, everybody needs computers.
As an IT professional, everybody will need someone like you.